Hello, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike here in South Louisiana, making another video today. Today's video was on a cosmetic restore I've done here for Reagan. This is a family heirloom motor. It's restore number 110, a 1956 3 horsepower Evinrude, model 3018. My cat wants to get in the video. Came out really nice. Reagan just wanted it cosmetically restored. Power head was frozen on it, so I took her completely apart, cleaned her very good, sanded her down. Got the original paint from vintageoutboardpaints.com and got her put back together. Looks really good. Reagan's gonna look good on the wall or wherever you put it. Alright, so just remember, here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Say goodbye, cat. See you on next video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Thank you very much. Au revoir, mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler. Aïe!